My name is Conrad Tyler. I live in Lafayette, Louisiana, and I go to the University of Louisiana. This is my submission for Designing with Soul Master Class. You have my product statement, project statement, design functional apparel for female runner in unpredictable weather conditions. Next, you have consumer profile. Her name is Nessa. She's 22 from Seattle, Washington. Her occupation is postdoctoral fellowship. Nessa, she lives in the Lake Union area and is located within Seattle city limits and is an urban gym. On a typical on a typical day, she gets up at roughly 5 a.m. Next, I'll be going to the story where she works, where she goes to the Fred Hutch Cancer Research Center for biomedical research. Usually, she likes to run on her lunch break, and she usually finishes up 5 or 6 in the evening, and that's when she usually takes the time at night to study or do her do her work. And she loves the outside. And next, you have some problems. Remembering to bring her umbrella, carrying supplies, perspiration. And here are some solutions: waterproof, versatility, breathable. Now with Nessa, she needs apparel that can protect, but also be able to merge with school and running, and something that she can take inside and out. Here's some of the inspirations: material and construction, Space Needle. You have here is the quad at the University of Washington, the pattern on the ground and the cherry blossoms, and then you also have the silhouette of the hazmat suit for protection. Here's some of my ideations from what I went through. Variations for ideations from you know incorporated face masks, face shields, different pockets, uh, backpack accessories to various things, even a smut shield on the back of one of the, the track suits. And next you have refined sketches, which I took the face mask idea with having it embedded in the jacket itself, so you can to zip it up to close that to close the face shield, and zip it down to have that face shield visible and have it there for protection. And also, I wanted to make the backpack more ergonomic and make it more confined to the body. And then in the other refined sketch, I added a fanny pack and did some more iterations to the design with the inner pockets and the straps. Next, you have my final design, which I went with the removable face shield. It snaps on with snap-on button to remove the face shield. You have the removable fanny pack where she can carry stuff, but also where she can have it nearer, so valuable stuff is right there. And also reflective materials on the front, the side, and the back with the New Balance logos. I wanted to really emphasize and make sure that she's visible on all fronts, and then just the unique design of it with the pass through and the cargo pockets. And next is the color palette. I wanted to the emphasis was the inspiration was the Northern Lights, and the color palette was the blue, the green, purples, and pinks, and having all those merged together. And as you can see with the design, I really wanted to incorporate all those together and have them in one intertwining connection. And next, you have the name of the product is Bio Comfort, and you have the runner. She's running in the render, And thank you for your time. This is my submission.